If you have closed your Spotify account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. It's important to act quickly as there may be a time limit for account recovery. Step 1. Visit the Spotify website. Go to the official Spotify website. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the Login button. Enter the email address and password associated with your closed account. If you don't remember your password, use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Step 3. Follow account recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Spotify regarding your account status. This email will contain a link or instructions on how to reactivate your account. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Reactivate your account. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to reactivate your account. Once completed, you should have access to your account and playlist again. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully reopen your closed Spotify account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Spotify's customer support for further assistance.